starting to get frustrated with the players, and they seem to keep on repeating the same mistakes of having chances, not taking them, losing games.
Yes, I've seen it in the same way. I think we started well. We dictated the game. We created chances. We didn't take them, and then one mistake. But even then, till halftime, I think we play a very decent game. And in two.
Ergiteniagi, Manchester United head coach here, speaks after a huge beat from West Ham United Football Club, as he was to say that what the guy did today was just a part and parcel of football, as of course the one goal that Manchester United were punished from West Ham United. It was just a human mistake of David De Gea, the goalkeeper number 1 of the Manchester United Football Club, and that was just as incredible. And of course it is just one among of the greater mistake that he has done, and it has costed the team in one way or another. And here Eric Ten Hag says there is no need to complain, there is no need to talk about the mistakes that has been done by him. Of course, David De Gea has always been the best goalkeeper for so many years. He has always been the best goalkeeper, and what happened today, it's just a part and a parcel of football, and he used to defend him, as in fact he also says it's about football, it's about 90 minutes, and the today's game was one among of the incredible, one among of the special game, and it's just the untold game. And here Eric Ten Hag says the plan to remain at the top 4 position is just to continue. They have that plan, as what they just think now is about the preparations towards the next match, as they are going to face one among of the great opponent in the Premier League. And in fact, he knows what was the quality of the Premier League teams, as they have always been doing the incredible preparations towards to face their opponent. And having the 3 important points away is not something simple. It's not something easy. Of course, the players must work hard. The players must struggle so as to ensure that they just go to the positive result. In fact, today they have lost 3 important points against West Ham United, as their plans to remain at the top 4 position is just a demise, according to maybe some people, the supporters, the fans. But according to Eric Ten Hag, said that the dream is just alive, and they have the possibility to participate in UEFA Champions League.